Hey, I just want to do a quick review of Heart. It's humans AI. Just threw that in my model. Wanted to show you what I got real quick. Let's see. Let me share my screen. We can kind of look at it. So this is their website. It's an AI play. They have some pretty big partnerships here. They partnered with NVIDIA, which is interesting. Seems like they've got some good traction with them. Um, and they've got the Heart token, which they deployed. They're about 2 years old. We'll go over to the model here, and currently they've got a pretty low market cap, about 115,000. Um, they've got two or three products developed and generally available that you can use. Didn't connect my wallet to any of them, but I did check out the community to kind of see what people are using it for. Unfortunately, the community just wasn't too active, so had a tough time really understanding the use case for them. They do have phenomenal marketing. I must say they do a really good job at marketing, and they do have a couple products that they can deploy in the AI space. I think that's bullish for them. The challenges I think they face though is they got really, it seems like really low product adoption. One of their products was in Hungarian. I think it's a language learning model. Another one of their products is they've got this tool that you can use to take an NFT and make it talk with an AI voice. I thought that was really cool, but it's just low market application. I don't see a lot of people really using that at this point. You know, it's fun to make your ape talk, right? But I don't see the use case. Like, what are you gonna use it for? Like how many people are really gonna make their NFTs talk? So at this point, I don't think it's gonna gain. Didn't look like it gained too much traction. Uh, let's see. It also seems like they're just kind of slow to develop and execute. They've been around for 2 years, but not too much going on over there. It doesn't seem like, just looking at their block explorer, not a ton of wallets, a couple thousand, maybe tens of thousands. And I couldn't see the total wallets. Uh, Only like really a couple hundred active any given day, it looks like. They also have huge supply of tokens. I think 8 billion tokens, and it's an inflationary token. So it's going to be tough to move that price. Um, he can see a speculative potential. Get some get some bonuses from being in a really hot space AI, and but a lot of not a lot of great product traction. So gets knocked down for that, and the staying power. It's not too high again, just because the products don't seem to be used very much, and if at all, and there's just no really good roadmap to deploying a product that's unique and development. It's also like development, right? Like if you're gonna stick around for a long time, you got to be able to bring in revenue, and if you don't have a product deployed that's bringing revenue, or like a product in your roadmap to bring in revenue, then it's just tough for me to see how you're gonna stay around once you burn through any capital or any funding you have, right? But reputation seems strong just because they're all doxed, and you can find out information on the team, especially the leaders. They're frequently attending conferences, so I think that's strong. Um, a lot of information out there, just not a lot of good information on what they're doing and how they're executing. So we can pull up their top. One of the challenges, market caps and stuff like that. So one of their challenges though is, you know, actually we can just scroll up here since I didn't put it on the other screen. But yeah, one of the challenges I think in kind of figuring out the market cap for AI plays is that they're kind of new, right? I mean, they were around last cycle, but the technology really wasn't mature enough to attribute any sort of like success for AI plays. I mean, just think about it, like GTP just kind of came on the scenes and started being used a couple months ago, right? I mean, maybe a year and a half ago. So the peak bull case is tough to judge because I don't think these AI plays have topped out. They do have a little bit of room to grow, and I think their multipliers this cycle are going to be a lot higher. So my bottom case is 1 billion. I think that's going to be tough to hit, uh, but they could do it through marketing. So I think it's definitely in play. The peak bull case, they're going to have to really, I think they're going to have to show that they've got a product that bring in revenue and that they can, um, deploy and execute on these projects. So, uh, the marketing hopium could get them up there, but that's not what my model's about. So I can't, I can't really value them too highly. And I think a lot of these estimates are generous in my model's opinion. So there you got it. Hard AI. Thanks for watching. And tell me what you think about hard AI. I'd love to hear, what I might be missing and share your knowledge as well. Appreciate it. Thanks.